Salsa canning, a flavorful journey. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a delicious and practical topic, salsa canning. This process combines the vibrant world of salsa making with the traditional method of canning for preservation. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply curious, this video will guide you through the essentials of salsa canning, ensuring you can enjoy this flavorful delight all year round. Let's get started. First, let's talk about salsa. Originating from Latin American cuisine, salsa is a versatile and flavorful sauce typically made from chopped tomatoes, onions, peppers, and various spices. It can range from mild to hot, depending on the ingredients used. Salsa is not just a dip for chips. It's a staple in many dishes, adding a burst of flavor to every bite. Now, let's explore canning. Canning is a method of preserving food by processing and sealing it in airtight containers. This technique extends the shelf life of food, making it a popular choice for storing seasonal produce like salsa. Canning involves heating the food to kill harmful bacteria and then sealing it in sterilized jars to prevent contamination. Combining salsa making with canning brings us to salsa canning. This process involves preparing homemade salsa and then canning it for long-term storage. It's a great way to preserve the freshness and taste of your salsa, allowing you to enjoy it throughout the year. Plus, homemade canned salsa makes for a thoughtful and personalized gift. Let's walk through the steps. 1. Prepare your salsa. Choose your favorite salsa recipe and prepare it. Remember, the flavor of your canned salsa will depend on the freshness and quality of your ingredients. 2. Sterilize your jars. Before canning, it's crucial to sterilize your jars and lids to prevent contamination. 3. Fill the jars. Carefully fill the sterilized jars with your salsa, leaving some space at the top of the jar. 4. Seal and process. Seal the jars and process them in a water bath canner to ensure they are airtight and shelf-stable. 5. Store properly. Once processed, store your canned salsa in a cool, dark place. It's usually best after a few weeks, as the flavors meld together over time. We hope this video has shed light on the delightful world of salsa canning. It's a wonderful way to capture the essence of fresh ingredients and enjoy your homemade salsa throughout the year. Happy canning, and enjoy the fruits of your labor.